Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw these characters in Adobe Illustrator. Here mainly we will use a curvature tool, pen tool and some brushes of Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. Open your new file any size you want. Paste your sketch into it. You can download sketch and palettes from the link below in the description. Lower the opacity of sketch layer and lock it, and create a new layer for coloring and paste it on the bottom. Let's name our layers. To draw amber, select curvature tool and dark orange color. When you're done with body parts, select neck and send it back by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus bracket. Let's draw a dress with any dark color. I chose dark gray here. Select pen tool and trace it like this. Then go to the pen tool and click it twice to open anchor point tool. We will make smooth lines with it. Let's see what happens by hiding the sketch layer. Fix here and there until it looks like a dress. Then we can move a little anchor points with curvature tool. Create a new layer for drawing face. It must be on the top of the coloring layer. Choose this white color and start drawing eyes with curvature tool. Then draw a mouth with the same color. Choose this yellow color and draw eyebrows. Then change the color into dark orange to make iris. You may use ellipse, but with curvature tool it looks more hand-drawn. Let's make lashes with this beautiful reddish-orange color. Use pen tool. To draw smooth lines, just press the left mouse button while holding a pen tool and drag the anchor point till you get the curve you want. Let's draw lights and shadows on face. For this, select coloring layer and with pencil start to draw fire shape with yellow color. Then go to the opacity and change it into screen mode to make it more brighter. After, go to Effects, Stylize, then feather it to 36 pixels. Press OK. Play with its size, then again with pencil, draw another star shape and give it yellow color and change its opacity to screen mode. Then feather it a little. Then select this color for stroke and with this brush draw this line. You can find this brush among the library of brushes. Then change its mode to multiply and lower the opacity. By drawing some other lines with brush, you can give it a fire texture. Anytime you may change the stroke size or brush and its opacity. Now let's draw Amber's lips. Change the color into fill and with curvature tool start to draw lips. Anytime you can redo your steps by pressing Ctrl plus Z. Give it the shape needed. And don't forget to save your file. Let's fix the other parts with curvature tool. Draw some fingers to make it look more like hands. Then select neck, copy and paste it by pressing Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus F. Then select this copy, go to the opacity and multiply it. Then with eraser tool, delete the half of it by leaving the top part. To add bright light to the character, draw the silhouette of it with this color and then send this object back. And then go to Filters or Effects and select Outer Glow. Now let's add some details on dress. With Blob Brush tool, draw a line like this, then copy it several times. Make a grid like this. Then copy dress and paste it on the back of the grid. And press Ctrl plus C, Ctrl plus F. Then press Ctrl plus Shift and right bracket to move it forward. Then select these objects and right click to the mouse and make clipping mask. Then paste the dress to the right place. The second character, Wade, is being drawn the same way as Amber. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please ask me on comments. So subscribe to my channel to see other tutorials. Goodbye.